Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is constructor overloading possible in Java? Let me answer. Yes, in Java, constructor overloading is possible. The answer is yes, guys. Okay. Let me practically demonstrate this for you so that you'll be able to understand the answer for this question in a better way. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and create a class and just name this class as a constructor or constructor overloading demo, COD. Okay. Constructor overloading demo, COD short form I am giving and creating a class. So here, okay, now I need to create a constructor, public. The constructor will not have any return type as you know, and the name of the constructor should match with the name of the class like this. Okay, the constructor is created. Fine. So system.out.println, I'll just print it out inside COD constructor. I'll just write a sample statement. Now if I try to create this, if I try to duplicate this constructor, okay, what happens? I'm getting an error, compiler error, duplicate method COD in type. So that means we cannot create duplicate constructors inside the same class. But these constructors can be overloaded. What if I can still have the constructors having the same name, multiple constructors having the same name inside the same class? Is that possible? Yes, with overloading concept, it is possible, guys. If both the constructors have the same name, definitely the constructors have to be having the same name, which is nothing but the class name for sure. But can duplicate constructors can coexist inside the same class? No, right? But with overloading concept, where you can create multiple constructors having the same name inside the same class, when these constructors differ in number of parameters or type of parameters. For example, here number of parameters is 0. Here, if I write int a, the error will be gone. You see, now Java is allowing us to create multiple constructors having the same name inside the same class. The reason behind that is this constructor doesn't have any parameter, whereas this constructor has a parameter. That's make the difference. This is what is overloading concept in Java all about. So constructor overloading is possible in Java. I'll create one more constructor, public COD. And here if I say int a, again the error will come because this constructor has the same name, this constructor has the same name, this has a single parameter, this has a single parameter. Both the types of the parameters are same. So that's the problem. Duplicate constructors, it will be treated as by Java compiler. So what we have to do, guys, have to either differ in the number of parameters. Here 0 parameters, here 1 parameter. So problem got resolved. But again here 1 parameter, 1 parameter. So I'll do one thing. I'll just change the data type of this variable or parameter. Now the things are okay. If the number of parameters of that constructor is different or the type of the parameters for that constructor is different, then overloading of that constructors is possible in Java, guys. Okay, we can create duplicate. Okay, constructors having duplicate name inside the same class when they differ in the number of parameters or type of parameters. Okay. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. The answer is simply yes. Is constructor overloading possible in Java? Yes, constructor overloading is absolutely possible in Java when the constructors having the same name differ in number of parameters and type of parameters. That is what is overloading concept all about. And it can be applied to constructors to create multiple constructors having the same name inside the same class. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.